Hello all. In this session, I will be telling you about creating title block in Solid Edge V19. So in the previous session, I told you about creating or setting the sheet in A4 and deleting the table. In this session, I will be telling you about how to create a title block in Solid Edge V19, which is absolutely essential whenever you are making a drawing or giving printout. The content or the creator name, number, and also marks and signature. These four contents you can put in the title blocks for every sheet. So for creating title block, so we need to go for background sheet. So currently I am in A4. You can see from the bottom. Currently I am in A4 and it is showing that it is a background. Now what I will do is I will be creating a line and making sure that it is a continuous line and it is of 0.5 mm thickness. Next bit, for clarity purpose, I will zoom area. I will zoom this bottom part, which is useful for creating a table. Just I have zoomed that part and I need to right click. So whenever I right click, once again the command will be activated. So left click on line. Then from this point, left click once again. From here, the length you need to give is 100. Enter, and the angle you can set. Otherwise, you can able to left click on the whenever it becomes straight, and you can see that it is highlighting red, and it is showing that the right side of the cursor is on the line. Whenever it becomes red, left click from the mouse. Then I need to give the height as 60, type 60 and press enter, and height angle is 90°, left click, then one horizontal line. So up to this line end of the point you need to press left click. Then to come out of the command, right click. Once you come out of the command, now you can see that the outer layer of the title block is created. Now I need to divide for showing the content, name, register number, then marks and the signature. All four things are necessary for every sheet. So divide this entire block into four divisions. Four rows I need to put. So for putting four rows here, I will be using offset command. Left click on offset. So offset commands are used for offsetting the elements or entities. So here there is an option. Whenever I click on offset, you can able to see the offset bar is highlighted. It is activated. Make sure that it is continuous. Make sure that it is 0.5. Then you need to go for single and give distance as 15, because I need to get four rows and this length is 60 mm. So 60 by 4 is nothing but 15. So 15 mm you need to fix and press enter. Okay. Once you press enter, 15 is highlighted. Then you need to click on the line to offset. So this element I need to offset. Left click on this element. Then this activation, this it will holds that we are accepting the changes, just left click on this tick mark. Now you can see arrow will be appearing, which will show where I need to offset, above or below. I need offset below, left click one time, left click two times, third time. So now you can see that three left clicks, it has been created three lines so that the offset has been made. Now to come out of the command, either you can press escape or you can right click on the mouse button. So I will press escape. Once I press escape, uh, the command will be deactivated. Now I need to delete this dimension which is not required. Hold the left mouse button on the top, then drag and select all dimension, then press delete. Once you delete, you can see that everything is clear. Now you can give the text naming, which is the content we require on the sheet, on every sheet. Now I will change the text scale as 1.5 for better visibility, or you can also change it as 2 also. So 1.5 is sufficient. Left click at the center of the row, first row. Then you can type, caps lock should be on, name. Here you can write register dot no number dot, and here you can show marks, and finally in the fourth row sign or signature. Now I will divide this row into two parts. So I will put one line here so that it will get separated. So after using text command, next you need to move on line command. Then check that it is 0.5, check that it is continuous. Then you go here, left click, and once you reach the bottom line, as you can see it is showing in red, left click once again. It should be straight. You make sure that it is the straight line you are doing. So then to come out of the command, once again you can press escape, so that title block is created. So this title block is created in the background sheet. You can see that in the bottom it is highlighted as A4. So we are doing title block in A4. So I will fit, and you can see in the background I have created the title blocks. Title block, after creating title block, you can able to start the problems in sheets. So problem should be done on the working sheet only, not in the background sheet. Okay. To then you need to, very important step is to hide the background before starting the problem. So what I will do is click on view, click on background. Now you can see background A4, A3, A2, A1 have been disappeared. It has been hidden. Okay. Only you are seeing is that the working sheet, or the sheet 1 you can say. Now why we have done that title block in background sheet? Because background is same for all the sheets. See, if you do problem 1 in this sheet, for doing second problem, just right click on this sheet 1, left click on the insert, so that second sheet will come. You can see that in second sheet background is already created in A4 and title block is already been created. So that is why you need to set the you need to create the title block in background sheet only, so that in whatever sheet, how many sheets you are doing, in all sheets title block will be appearing. So that is why we are doing title block in background sheet, so that it will appear in all the sheets. So that is the how you can able to set the title block in A4. I hope this video is useful for you. So we will meet in the next session. Thank you.